Hey, this is Rachel from The Life Facilitator, and I am sharing a look inside my March setup in my main catch-all planner using the Cocoa Daisy Bookish Classic Vertical Inserts. I'll do a after the pen flip through of March later, but I wanted to do a video showing my setup so far. And I wanted to talk specifically about some things that really help with my setup for the month. And that includes the classic sticker kit, the memory keeping sticker kit, the planner add-on sticker kit, and the stamp sets that come in the memory keeping kits. And then this month there was a planner add-on, planner add-on kit stamp as well. So my monthly is not done yet, but this is how it looks functionally with all the things. And like I mentioned, I use stamps, I use stickers, but for this month, I really focused on, well, obviously we have a lot of birthdays. So these little icons are from the planner add-on kit, and then there are a few in the classic sticker kit as well. And yeah, and then I'm super excited about these little icon stamps that come in the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping stamp set. And so I've used them in a couple places here. But what I wanted to focus on is actually my weekly setup. So I have the whole month set up. And if you've seen my other videos, you've seen me talk about how I use these pages, and I'll go over that in a little bit. But I wanted to show specifically how I like to take a sticker and use it in a different way. So these stickers, they say to do and today, and there are 7 of them, which I think are meant to go like over 1 week. But I decided to use them one set for every week. So put the today to the side here, today to do, and then use one of the like heart checklists for the bottom part. And so this is how I'm planning on setting up the whole month, which will have my like timed appointments up here, to-dos down here, and then a favorite from the day. So just like little notes from the day. And that comes from this, the Modern Memory Keeping Kit stamp set. And then made sure to use the Hello March on the 1st and some stamping. And then this is kind of generally how I've been using these pages. I put the photos, I take notes on the photos that I've taken in this section, and then my like tasks for the week on this side, kind of like a giant dashboard or sidebar. That's what I mean. And then this week I turned the stickers to the side, or like how they would normally go, but continued with the icons. And then I used the this stamp here to just go ahead and add my to-do, like my checklist for the week. Here I stamped onto one of the washi strips that I think came in the modern or the memory keeping kit along the bottom for that section, and decided, yeah, I liked that, so I'm gonna do that, and ended up doing that sort of for the rest of the month. And same deal, just sort of switched which way it went, but the rest of the weeks look pretty similar. But I love having it sort of all set up and ready to go for the whole month. And then used the stickers from the memory keeping sticker kit to date the whole planner. And yeah, so that's just a very quick look at my setup for March, but I wanted to make sure to mention just some things that I'm using that are really helping me kind of pre-plan for the whole month and how I'm loving these to do and today and to do stickers. Oh, also up in the corner I did put the month in each day, and then I also used an older stamp set, I think from December, with the little swatch to cover where it says notes, and use different colors for each week just to kind of play around with color. So yeah, that's it. I will come back and hopefully share a plan with me for this month, but you have a sense of kind of where I'm starting from. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If there's specific things you'd want to see me do with either the Cocoa Daisy inserts or the product around planning, let me know, and I'd love to do that. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.